Hi there, my name is Mark from All Active Cams. We have teamed up with Solihull Mums and Dads to bring you a series of sporty and arty videos over the next few weeks to help keep your children entertained and out of mischief. We're going to start out today by making one of these amazing cats. Now in all of our videos, we're only going to be using very basic art supplies. It's hardly a great time to have to go out to the shop and buy more complex materials. Also, if you check out the description, there's some links to a couple of downloadables that you can, in your own time, print off and colour in. I should also own up to the fact that I'm not the All Active Cams art specialist, but under the circumstances, I hope that you don't mind. What that means is I reckon your creations are going to be better than mine. And what I'd like you to do is take photographs of what you make and post them in the comments below, just so I can see how good they really are. Anyway, let's start getting creative. What you need, very simply, you need a toilet roll. You need a few sheets of paper, ideally a black sheet, a green sheet, a pink sheet, and a white sheet. If you haven't got those colours, it's not the end of the world. You can colour in white sheets of paper as you go along. You need a glue stick, a black pen or pencil, and a pair of scissors. Now, as you go through the video, you can pause it, you can stop and start, follow the instruction, restart the video, and then by the end, hopefully, you'll have something that looks a little bit like this. You should begin by cutting out a length of black paper wide enough to cover the toilet roll. Remember, if you don't have any black paper, you can use white paper and then colour this in black. Once this is done, you should put some glue along one end of the paper, stick it to the toilet roll, and then start rolling this paper around the toilet roll so that it completely covers it. Make sure you put some glue along the other end and then stick it down. The next step is to create the ears. As I'm demonstrating, you should fold in the top centimetre of the toilet roll, and this will create 2 points at either end of the fold, and that will now become the cat's ears. Being very careful with the scissors, you now want to cut out 2 eyes from the green paper. These should be quite big and be a pointy oval shape. Don't forget to colour them in if using white paper, and once you've done this, you should carefully glue them onto your cat model. You will now need 2 eyeballs for your eyes. So using some of the black paper that you have left, carefully cut out 2 smaller circles with one glued into the centre of each green eye. Now, if you need some help, don't forget to ask your mums and dads. This bit can be quite fiddly. Moving on to the nose, you should now take the pink paper and cut out a heart shape that's roughly about as wide as one of the eyes that you cut out earlier. Now this nose should be glued onto your model as if the heart is upside down, with the pointy part of this nose positioned between the eyes. You want to continue with the pink paper and cut out 2 long triangles that will become the cat's ears. Again, this is quite a fiddly bit, especially when trying to stick them to your model. So if you need some help, don't forget to ask older siblings, ask parents, they'll be able to help you out. Now every cat needs some long whiskers, so take your white sheet of paper and cut out 4 long but thin strips of paper. You then want to glue these whiskers onto the nose of your cat, but each whisker should be glued at a slightly different angle to each other. So as well as whiskers, your cat will also need a tail. So grab whatever black paper you've got left and cut out a tail. This should be not quite as long as your whiskers you've just cut out, but a little bit fatter. Then cut out a small white square and glue this onto the end of your tail. When gluing your tail onto the back of your cat, make sure that the white square is pointing upwards. You might also want to put a fold in your tail so that the tail points up to the sky. And then last but not least, you want to give your cat some white paws. So cut out 2 semicircles and glue these side by side onto the bottom of your cat. Then using your black pen or pencil, draw a couple of lines onto your feet and this will create some toes. And there you have it, your amazing model cat. Don't forget to give it a name. Well done everybody, awesome job.